You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names, the name of this dish from Italian cuisine. To learn more from Italian cuisine dish names, pasta types, stay tuned, we've got more. Tuscan and Umbrian chopped salad. Italian pronunciation, panzanella. Because you have a double L, you want to stress on that nella part, panzanella in English, therefore. It's not just like the panzanella Italian pronunciation, just panzanella, panzanella, from Italian panzanella. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.